how to buy Furfication token. So this token came under the symbol of Fur. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found in my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 12 hours ago and increased by 6,000% in less than 24 hours. And also this token is trending #1 in the Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Just click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet. For that, as you can see, now we'll just log into my wallet first. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. So as you can see, this also now click on it. And now here click on I understand. Now after that, as you can see here, you can type how much you want to buy and you will be able to see how much you receive as you can see of that token. After that, click on pricing. Now click on provider and select Jupiter. Now click on apply and go back and you will be able to see swap here. Now just click on it and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Fur token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.